on the ground because this is set up for a weird angle. Because I'm about to paint in front of you, and I don't know, I should have set it up different. But I did. I've had these frames sitting around the classroom for a while. They were donated by a frame shop that went out of business next door. I have like 7 of them, 7 or 8 of them. They're huge, 30 by 40, 30 inches by 40. So I bought some canvases that will fit them, and we're gonna play around with some stuff. So this is my canvas here. We're gonna try this cloud effect that people have been talking about. I haven't really watched a full video with instructions, but it looks like from just skimming through a couple, because everybody's doing it, that you pour white in the bottom of the cup. It's a regular sort of a tree ring pour, but it has enough white that it sort of has almost like a nebula effect, like a glowing nebula. Looks more like a nebula pour to me. And maybe y'all can inform me, because again, I haven't really watched any videos on it, but they're pretty, and I wanted to try one. So we're gonna do that. Yeah, so here we go. We're gonna do a color scheme of teal, gold, burnt sienna, and white. Okay, so I found one cup that is slightly larger, so we're gonna go with that. More volume. Pouring a decent amount of white in the center. And I'm going to go with the darkest first for contrast. Pouring down the side. Then we'll go with some gold. And then my teal. A little bit more teal. And then I'm going to fill it on up, so I'll do a repeat. So a little more white. This is going to be a lot of paint. And for subtlety's sake, we're going to skip the brown, go for more gold. And I'm going to stop. I got a lot of air bubbles on the top, so I'm going to pop them real quick using my heat gun. Alright, I want to go that way because all the color variation is over there. I'm very right-handed though, so this makes me nervous, but we're just going to do it. Don't like that that happened. All right, so I see it already shifting. This is a really big canvas, but it's got some nice crossbars on it. So I've covered my table in a large piece of bulletin board paper that is sort of folded around the edges to keep any scrapes off. I haven't coated my canvas as I normally do, and I might regret that. feel like this is not enough paint. I think I've already screwed up. I'm already seeing some major rippling that I don't like. Should have watched more instruction on this technique, huh? Ay, ay, ay. I hate it when it does this. Okay, I can already tell that when I tilt it this way, this is going to be an issue. There's just not enough paint there. So I'm going to add some paint. That was a lovely pour, huh? Not. Okay. Maybe I shouldn't try to wing new techniques that I've never done before. I think I'm going to get a palette knife and spread this together so that it will flow. I should have coated the canvas. The ones I saw didn't, and I didn't take into account that I wasn't really using as much paint that I probably should have. You know, haphazard artistry. Name of the game around here. Not always the way to do it. It's fun though. White, you're gonna come down here, and then everything's gonna flow so nicely, you know. I know this is ugly, but I don't really care because I'm planning on it flowing off. Oh, and that's gonna be on the cup. Okay. I do see the beauty in that. I would have just used enough paint, right? Okay. Let's go. How are we looking? Do I like that, maybe? Ah. I feel like this is trash. So I'm gonna swipe it. Because why the heck not at this point? I'm gonna do more brown along that side over there, and I'm gonna swipe across. Don't know that I can reach. This is gonna be awkward. So. I feel like this is a nice background for something, but it's just not. It's just not anything. Gotten quiet because I'm trying to save this thing at this point. I like those drips. That actually looks pretty cool. I like the blue that shows through too. I want more drips. More drips, please. That's fun. That was bad. One more time. Guys, I think that I'm the swipe girl. Maybe I need to change my channel to swipe chick or something, because it's what I end up doing. I'm so much happier with this now. I'm gonna get a brush and touch up the sides, and I think we're done. Well, it's a good 30 minutes later, and I think this thing's settling nicely. I really like the color variations in it. Cloud effect fail turned into a huge swipe success. So yay. Sorry about that light shining there. My blinds on my classroom window. Right there. See that right there? I can't reach that high to fix it. That's what's happening. So anyways, yay, so excited. Can't wait to see it in a frame, outside, on an easel. See you soon. what you think in the comments. Like and subscribe. Click the bell icon in order to get more notifications. And don't forget to check out my paintings and my merch like this shirt on hoelscherart.com. Bye.